Man, it has been busy around my house, but it's time to make some more content. And I've got another cool one for you guys. This one's another gin one. And after the last one, I want to do something that was similar, but a little bit more refreshing, or lighter, I would say, and just super cool that maybe people don't know about. Now, I have a book called The Savoy Cocktail, and to be honest, a lot of stuff I find on there really confuses me, but this one really stuck out to me, and seeing as how I'm on a little gin kick, I decided to give it a try. And it has become one of my favorites. Now, this drink is like 90 years old, at least I guess when it was first created, and it is much different than the original recipe, but the way I'm gonna make it is pretty much how you'd find it, you know, if you just Google it. So, like I said, this is a gin drink, so we're gonna be using Plymouth gin, also some triple sec, lemon, simple syrup, and egg white. So this drink is gonna be served up, and it's gonna be really foamy, and that egg is really what gives it that white color. If you don't like egg in your drink, you can make it without egg and it'll taste great too. The egg kind of gives it a little bit more air, a little bit more like bubbly feeling. So I just cracked this, and I'm gonna keep this on the side for when we're ready for it. So let's start with the gin. We're gonna be using 1.5 ounces. Well, that was a really good pour. Then we're gonna use 3/4 ounce of triple sec. I'm actually using Cointreau. Pretty much whatever clear triple sec you want to use, that's fine. It doesn't change the color. If you were to use something like an orange curacao, it would change the color, so I like to use clear. All right, and same amount for our lemon juice, 3/4 ounce. And then simple syrup. So this is where people can go all kinds of different ways. I like mine somewhere in the middle, a little sweet, but not too sweet. So I use 1/2 ounce.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
If you like it a little less sweet, 1/4 ounce should be just fine for this drink. And lastly, we can take that egg white. And pretty much with every egg drink, you want to do a dry shake, so without any ice, and then do your shake with ice, both about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, and then let's get some ice into this. And we got our glassware. I'm gonna be using a Nick and Nora glass, which is pretty much what I use for any kind of sour. Make sure both times you've got that tight seal. All right, and this one you're just gonna double strain into your glass. And look at that color. And that's the White Lady. And you can just let it sit and let that settle out a little bit if you'd like kind of that clear distinction between the foam. But other than that, let's taste it. I'll be honest, that was a little sweet, and I probably wasn't thinking about it, but the sweetness probably comes from triple sec as well. It has some natural sweetness. So 1/2 ounce of my semi-rich simple syrup is probably a little bit too much, so maybe I will dial back down to that 1/4 ounce or 1/3 ounce. But besides that, this is like a year-round sipper, but honestly, I probably enjoy it the most during the summer. Yeah, that's just so good. And the gin just works, especially because this is a dry gin. It just really works well with the lemon, the simple syrup. Man, I can't stop drinking that. All right, and at the end of usually my videos, I usually tell you one little trick that you can do to pizzazz it up a little bit. And for this one, it would be take a lemon peel and express some oils over top. So when you bring it up to your mouth, you'll never smell egg if you do smell that kind of thing. And you'll just kind of get a lemon smell. And it just kind of looks cool if you're doing it at a bar. But yeah, I'm probably gonna make myself another one after these. So I'm gonna let my wife try this one. Let me know what you think. Por favor.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Is that lemon?
Yeah? Can you see the lemon juice?
Oh, no. It's like a fancy lemonade.
Oh, that's a good way to describe it. Yeah, I like.
It's not harsh and
Yeah.
it has good flavor.
I was saying I made it probably a little sweet. I might cut back on the simple syrup next time I make it, but.
I think it's good.
Well, that's the end of that one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna keep drinking this.